Hey guys, it's Lam here again, your tech guide, and today's video we are going to be doing a part 2 searching for the best or suitable screen protector for the Unicorn Beetle Case. So as you know, if you saw my previous video when I did the drop test video, you saw me that the screen protector, looking for a screen protector with this type of case is quite difficult because of the way it is designed. It compresses the plastic screen display and it becomes wrinkled. And if you haven't seen my other previous video or my long time video where I did a tempered glass installation on my Samsung Watch Active 2, I tested this one out here. It is a tempered glass. So I hope with this two combination, this will work perfectly well. So, and then we could do a drop test. So let me put this on and see what it looks like, and hopefully it could hold up its shape and form, whereas if this thing is plastic, it will just wrinkle up because of the compression what it causes from this case. So let's install this and just monitor it, and then if everything goes well, we could go outside and do a drop test and see this ultimate protection for your Watch Active 2. Okay, let me put this on here. Let me just slide it. Okay, like again, it is a very, very tight fit, guys. Let me just loosen up the corners here so that it doesn't compresses or makes it move or shift to one side, because that is the part that's always causing the plastic screen display protector to become wrinkled. But anyways, there you go. We'll just leave it here for maybe a couple of minutes or so, because usually that's when it starts kicking in. Whereas if you just install it immediately, you will not notice it with the plastic until a couple, maybe 10 minutes or so, then it will show. So we'll monitor for any bubbles, because it will show that it is lifting out from the screen display of the Active 2. If we don't see no bubbles, it means it is a good compatibility with this case. And then we'll go outside and do a drop test. All right, so let me come back. I'm gonna do my laundry, and then I'll come back maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so it looks like it's 10 minutes passed by. We're gonna check it out, what kind of result we get from this. And it looks like I do notice that there is a bubble down there. So, man, it is impossible to find a compatible screen protector for this case. Let me try to show you guys a little bit closer here, different angles. So you can see right there, there's the bubble developing because of the upper portion here is very, very tight. It really compresses whatever you've got up the up or on your screen display. So as you can see, even a tempered glass does not work with this case. It's too bad, man, because you know, if you are those type of outgoing person who does those outdoors activity, you know, especially it requires protection for your Active 2. The only thing you'll get a protection is basically just the casing of the watch, not the screen display, because of the compatibility is just not there. But it's such a bummer, guys. That's all I could say. Anyways, we could probably do a drop test as well while we're at it, and just don't mind that there. Or what we can do is probably do a drop test just without the casing itself and see what kind of protection we get from this tempered glass. So let me remove this. Okay, so to fix that bubble while we're at it, as you can see right there, the bubble's developing. Now it's stuck in there. How to remove it is pretty much you just have to lift it up again. Lift the tempered glass, just that area there, and kind of rub it or brush it while you let go the tempered glass. And as you can see, the bubble is gone. just like that. All right, no more bubble. We're gonna do a drop test on the Samsung Watch Active 2. We're just gonna try to aim it on the front of the screen display. And here we go. So waist level, or yeah, we can start with waist level. Here we go. Ooh. All right. So it landed right on the corner here. I don't know if you guys could see that, but it landed right there. Okay. And it bounced on that side as well. So it did held its ground. However, the corner, it looks like it's got a tiny chip on the side there. All right, so let's do this again. Poor Active 2 here. I'm completely damaging this. Here we go, waist level. Boom. Okay, so that one, oh, there you go. Oh, shoot, guys. Wow. For some reason, it just loves to get that impact on the corner there, right on the upper side. It did crack now, and it looks like it's pretty much cracked, guys. 2 drops with a screen, with a tempered glass screen protector. And I can't believe it's already damaged. So I'm gonna remove the screen, the tempered glass, and see what it looks like underneath. But of course, the watch is still working. And let's open this up. I'm surprised I didn't even protect it, guys. Not, oh wow, look at that. Look at that, guys. There goes my Active Watch 2. That really sucks. But it's still working. And it's pretty much gone. I have to get this repaired, or I'll probably figure out a way to repair this on my own if this thing does happen to you guys. Hopefully I'll find a remedy to do a screen glass display change, but I doubt it. I don't know if there's any even parts available out there. All right, guys, so we are back in the studio and we're gonna examine the Watch Active 2 here, see where is the crack, and it looks like it's the upper right or left corner where the impact is mostly happening. I can't believe that we only managed to do 2 drops and it landed right on the corner, guys, which is very, very rare. And it really shows that you do really need a case protector for your Active Watch 2. And it really will benefit and help you out in the long run, guys. The tempered glass, the plastic one or the tempered glass, it will not protect you if it does happen to land on the corner, which what happened to mine right here. And it really sucks. It really sucks. So this is the one that will protect you guys for your casing and the corner of your glass. And then you slap it on the screen protector. Either, I don't know if the plastic one will help, but definitely you need a tempered glass on it to get the full protection. You could try on the Rinky Bezel or the Spigen case protector. Those will definitely help you out to cover all the corners of your glass display and your casing. And yeah, guys, that was quite disappointing, the test result, the outcome. And I feel bad for my Active Watch 2 here, the silver cloud or cloud silver. And I don't know, it's pretty much kind of useless now for me. So basically I'm gonna probably just do another drop test on the back just to see how strong the sensor or the glass that is covering the sensor. I'm gonna probably do a drop test on that just to see how strong it is, so that you guys have an idea, just in case if you accidentally drop it for some odd reason. And we'll go from there. And then once if everything is completely totaled, I'm gonna probably try to disassemble it and see what kind of procedure, how to disassemble this and change the screen display glass. Hopefully they do have parts out there that I could purchase and change it so that I could show you guys how to do that as well. But my final conclusion for the test is you definitely need a case protector for your Active Watch 2. For your Watch Active 2, you definitely need a case protector and a tempered glass so that you have that full protection coverage for your watch. You know, it's especially for folks out there who are adventurous, who likes those extreme sports. You definitely need to protect and get yourself a case protector and a tempered glass so that your investment is well protected. So that's pretty much it, guys. Just another test. Pretty much I'm another guinea pig test here. I feel bad for my Active 2 here. Hopefully I'll probably get another one so that when it comes to doing a watch band review, we have this one is still available. So once again, guys, thank you for watching my video. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.